Convey my salam in regards to your sister. You will go to Walima? Good.
Assalamu alaikum হুজুর।
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
আমার প্রশ্ন হলো ইয়া আলী মাদাদ জায়েজ কিনা?
নাজায়েজ।
হুজুরকে প্রশ্ন করা হয়েছে যে শিয়ারা যে বলে ইয়া আলী মাদাদ, যে হে আলী সাহায্য করো, সাহায্যে আসো, তো এটি বলা বৈধ কিনা? হুজুর বললেন যে না, এটি নাজায়েজ, অবৈধ, এটি ঠিক নয়।
Have you heard a joke about this? No? A cart was caught in the mud and 6 Sardar Sahiban were saying, what do you say? Why Guru? And they were pushing the cart and it couldn't get out of the mud. It was so tightly bogged in. So then some Muslims were passing through and they said, we will join hands with you. And they joined hands and pushed the cart and said, Ya Ali Madad. And because there were too many people together, the cart got out of the mud. So Sardar Sahiban talked to each other that although our Guru is greater than their Guru, but as far as the mud is concerned, their Guru is more skilled in taking things out of mud. See? It's not possible to translate it in your language properly, but the words they used was Musalmanon the Guru Khubeda Tagda hai. You understood? No.
Gee, I do, but
no, you can't translate.
no word.
No, it's your turn, no?
Assalamu alaikum হুজুর।